Hello chat, welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how to make a simple clicker game in Scratch. First you can choose your sprite. You can choose the cat, but I'm going to be choosing a different one. You can choose anyone. I'll be choosing Apple. Come on man, let's load. Alright, now we're going to go to the variable section here and we're just going to rename this one. You can make a new one though, I just recommend renaming it. I'm going to be calling it score. You can name it score or clicks, your choice, or anything else. Now, make sure your variable is showing. So, my score is showing now. Now go to events. Get a win green flag clicked and a win sprite clicked. Go back to the variables tab and get set score to 0 when the game starts. And change 1 when the sprite's clicked. But let's test it. Oh, it works, guys. It works. Now, let's add a bit more fun to the game because this is a really basic idea. So let's make it a bit better. I'd recommend double clicking on this and making it a large because it just looks better. Alright, now let's add a sound effect. To add a sound effect, you go to the sounds tab and just delete this one. We don't need it. And click on choose a sound. You can choose anyone you like. I like this one, being more. Now, what we want to do is we just want to delete all of this and leave the end of it because this one is so satisfying. I could listen to that for an hour. I'm just gonna be naming this. I'm just gonna be naming this to click. Yep, click. Go back to the code section and go to sounds and get the start sound, and when sprite is clicked. Just put that under, not over. Start, so when sprite is clicked, change score by 1 and start sound click. Let's test it to see if it works. Yep, it does work. Alright, now let's make sprite a bit bigger. Let's make it look a bit cooler. 50. Okay, now we have a bigger sprite. Now I'm going to be adding a ghost effect. This requires a bit more scripting knowledge, but in this tutorial, you should learn how to do it. It's pretty easy actually. You don't need that much scripting knowledge. First you want to get a when green flag clicked and go to control, get a forever block and a if then else block. Now you want to go to the looks category, scroll down until you see set color effect, not change color effect. Make sure it's set. Change this to set color effect to, and click on where it says color and change this to ghost, and you want to duplicate it again and put it here. Now when just change this to like 20, make sure this is set to 0. Now you want to go to sensing and get touching mouse pointer, make sure this is in here. Now let's see if it works. Alright, so it adds this nice little effect when your cursor's touching it. This is pretty satisfying. So this is how you make a basic clicker game. And if you guys want another episode, I'll make another episode and I'll tell you how to add more features like a shop or better effects and a bunch of other cool stuff.